Looking for lodging along the Alcan Highway? Check out these cute rustic cabins located in the largest community anywhere in Alaska along the Alcan Highway. This is Tok, only 90 miles from the Canadian border and 4 hours from Fairbanks. Let me show you the Caribou Cabins. This is Tok, Alaska. T-O-K, pronounced Tok. And that's the Alcan Highway right there. Canada is about 90 miles to my back. We look toward Fairbanks. And this is my review of the Caribou Cabins, a lodging establishment here in Tok that's very close to the Alcan Highway, only a couple of miles off the road, and I'd highly recommend it. Let's have a look. The Caribou Cabins are not located directly fronting the Alcan Highway. They're on the edge of town on an empty side road, which is pretty typical for Alaska, except that the side road is completely paved, which is not so typical. I could probably stand here in the middle of the road for an hour without having to move for a car. I called them rustic, but these cabins are not sketchy ramshackle shacks. They're well-built structures with everything that you'd expect in a modern accommodation. I'll show you around the inside of mine. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fantastic.
Hey, here to check in?
Yes, sir.
Daniel?
That's me.
Okay. So you guys are cabin number 6, so
cool.
Here's the key there.
We're off to cabin number 6. There's one. These are really cute cabins. There are only 6 cabins in the complex, and you can see that they're well spaced, assuring maximum privacy. 4. Aha. 5 right there. So here's number 6. It's our home for the night. Here comes the first look at our cabin. Maybe. There it goes. It smells good. So we've got, looks like a queen bed here. Nightstands on both sides. It's a wooden floor. Over here is a table lamp. Back here, some extra bedding. Place to hang things up. Fire extinguisher. I'm pretty sure this is a heater. There is a fridge down here and a microwave, coffee maker, coffee supplies as well, and oh, what a more coffee than you usually get. Pretty good selection of coffee there. Over here's the water closet and shower. Let's see, here's the light. So here's the shower. It's got curtains, goo on the wall. Cute little rustic curtains. Windows open. And then back over here. Here's the vanity sink. Let's turn on the light here. There we go. Vanity sink. Curtains underneath. Just supplies under there. luggage storage rack. Here's the dish TV list. Looks like a little remote heater or portable heater as well. USB connections on the outlet. So 3 outlets on this side. Let's see what this switch does. Oh. So there's a lamp on the nightstand, plus an additional light up here. Fire alarm. Again, here's the bed. Side we have more lamps here. That switch didn't do anything. How about this one? So this switch controls both of those lamps. I bet you this switch does the outside. Check it in a second. Then over here is a clock with 2 outlets attached to it and a nightstand with little drawers. Oh, I missed the television. Over here's the TV. The remote there. I want to check this switch here. Yeah, so there's a porch light on the outside. Out here in front is dedicated parking. So you don't have to worry about having a place to park. The forest is only 3 feet away from the edge. So definitely very rustic. I think I like it. So that's our walkthrough of cabin number 6 here at the Caribou Cabins in Tok, Alaska. Good morning, it's the next day. Still here at the Caribou Cabins. Very comfortable place. The heater worked great. It's a little bit difficult to figure out how to work it. The television had dish TV with an incredible number of channels that actually worked. When we were at Chena Hot Springs the night before, we weren't able to get the TV to show us anything without a lot of buffering. Here's a final look at Caribou Cabin. My traveling partner looked out the window in the middle of the night, hoping to see the aurora, and she said the stars were amazing here. I slept through all that. It got cloudy since then, so no chance of seeing the sky right now, but she said the sky was amazing during the night. So if you're looking for a dark sky place, Caribou Cabins here in Tok, definitely a place to go. Anyway, the shower worked great. As far as other things, there is no room safe here, but it wasn't necessary. In fact, you could probably leave the keys inside the car here without an issue. Super safe place, super secluded, but yet still very close to the Alaska Highway. We're only a couple of miles off the main road. Highly recommend Caribou Cabins here in Tok, Alaska. It's a key return, but it's not locked. That's okay. So this is Postcard Dan here at the Caribou Cabins in Tok, Alaska. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up so that YouTube will share it with other people as well. And if you enjoy the content on my channel, I'd be honored to have you as a subscriber. Thank you for watching.